So as you can see, there's quite a bit of roughness along the edges of this wood. And if you touch it, it's going to be a high chance of getting a splinter. They call me the Asian Phenom, and I'm the best at what I do because I review everything from A to Z. Today we are going to take an exclusive look at the ALTOCRAFT 3-in-1 cordless polisher and buffer. Oh wow, that is a nice case. I was not expecting that. Let's see what's all inside this bag. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. So straight out of the bag, you have all these parts. You have a very detailed instructions manual, how you suggest referring to that. You have the charge cable and the charge unit. And as you can see right here, we have many interchangeable heads. It looks like 5 sandpaper, different grade of sandpaper. And on the back, this is how it sticks. And here is the, I believe this is the polisher. Okay, so basically how it works is that, you see how this is like a soft head right here? You simply peel it, it's a nice Velcro, and then stick whatever surface that you want to do, whether it be sanding, polishing, or waxing, okay? So let's go ahead and put this handle, oh, check it out. There's a left and right-handed handle. I think for me, for a right-handed person, I prefer to have the handle right here. All right, I have an insert. So let's say if I want to stick this on here. I want to do a simple polishing in my car. Okay, so I screw it on right here. On tight. This is the spindle lock. Oh, I think this is the speed control. You have a low and a high. Oh, there's a lock. Very nice handle, 12 volt. Look at this. This is nice. I really like the color. Here's the trigger card. So let's see if it's locked. You can't turn it on. So you see, oh, it even has juice in here. Check it out. See that? Yeah. So that's low, which is 0 to 2600 RPM for polishing. Let's go and switch it to 2. High, 7800 RPM. This is for sanding. All right. That's a beauty right there. But hold on. I gotta make sure it's charged. Fully charged. Okay. So remove that. Let's go ahead and charge the battery pack. As you can see, I'm charging the 2000 milliamps rechargeable lithium-ion battery until it turns green. I'm finally ready to test it out. So first we're going to test out the floor waxing function with the sponge. Ensure that it is locked into spindle so it doesn't come out. So here we go. I'm just going to simply use some of this Mr. Clean. We'll just pretend that's the floor waxer. So these are laminate floors. As you can see, it is a little bit dirty and I've never waxed this before, so I'm excited to try it out. Okay, I'm going to simply just pour a little bit of this solution on here. Whoops. That's a good amount right there. And with the floor waxing, I'm going to use the low speed, which operates at 2600 RPM. So here we go. Wow, that was absolutely fun to watch. Let's go ahead and wipe this away. See if we notice the difference. So notice this, the wax floor versus the dirty floor. That is a huge difference right there. Oh wow. I am amazed by how much more improved it is. Next up, I have the muff car polishing attachment on. Although my car doesn't look that dirty, but I still want to test it out, so I want to use the Meguiar's. What's this? Clear coat paste car wax. So let's go ahead and apply some of this. I'm just going to dip it in here. Okay, that's a good amount. And with car polishing, we're going to use low 1 speed. So here we go. I think that looks good right there. Let's go ahead and wipe it down. It's just this area right here. Oh my goodness! You can tell right off the bat, this is the super shiny area. Look at that! See my reflection? Oh wow! Compare it to the rest of the body, even though it's not dirty, but you can definitely notice a huge difference. Wow. Alright guys, I'm in my backyard right now. As you can see right here, we have this new stretch of fence right here because it blew down during the heavy storm. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of roughness along the edges of this wood. And if you touch it, there's going to be a high chance of getting a splinter. So I'll be testing out the sanding function. See, I have the roughest attachment right here. So let's go ahead and give it a go. So for the sanding function, I'll be using a high speed of 270-800 RPM. Here we go. So here is the after. Look at that. I pretty much removed all the wood that was sticking out, so there will be less chance of getting a splinter. See? It's pretty much smooth now. Just have to spend some time on it. Well, it looks like it definitely got the job done. Wow. I'm really impressed by how useful this little 3-in-1 tool is. Not only can it polish, wax, but it can also sand. So if you're looking for the ultimate power tool with all of these 3 functions, definitely give the ALTOCRAFT brand a look.